This well-balanced harissa chicken and fish dish has all the flavors from Morocco. It's a little bit spicy, a little bit smoky, and a little sweet. And let's not forget the gentle flavor of fish and chicken. To start off, we're going to marinate our meat, which is so simple using a 2-ingredient marinade. Grab 2 glass bowls, and in one bowl, place 650 grams of sliced, skinless and boneless chicken, then 260 grams of boneless white fish, any fish, into the other bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic to each bowl, and then 1 tablespoon of harissa paste to each, and mix well. Then set the 2 bowls aside for later. By the time we've prepared the other ingredients, the marinated meat will be ready. Next, we're going to prepare the sweet peppers, and we're using 4 today. Place an oven rack over a burner on your stovetop and set your burner to the highest setting. Using tongs, roast each pepper by turning it on all sides. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click on that notification bell. I post new recipes every week. Set your beautiful flame roasted sweet peppers aside to cool a little, and while you're letting it cool, cook 2 cups of basmati rice. Then, to complete the preparation of the peppers, you're going to dice them and set them aside for later. Also, you're going to dice 16 dried apricots and set those aside as well. Now to prepare the dressing. To a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of harissa paste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 cup of fresh coriander, 1 heaped tablespoon of ground cumin, and 1 heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. Now to add the chickpeas. Drain 1 can of the chickpeas and add to the dressing. With the other can, add the chickpeas as well as the liquid, then stir this well. You can also go ahead and drain the artichokes from the liquid they have been stored in. Now we're going to prepare our fish and chicken. Set your burners to medium, and in a little olive oil, fry the fish for 1 to 2 minutes on either side. I just sliced one of the strips to check that it was cooked through and set it aside. And do the same with the chicken. Your chicken will need a little longer on either side, about 2 minutes, then remove from the pan. And lastly, we're going to prepare our savory rice. Add a tablespoon of olive oil again to the pan. Add the rice, the roasted sweet peppers, 1 cup of parsley, the dressing, the artichokes, and the apricots, and give it a great big stir. How is that for colorful? Add a sprinkle of salt and pepper and keep stirring. Then give it a taste to check if the rice has enough salt, and of course, add a bit more if you need to. To assemble the dish, I first added the rice to a serving plate, then positioned my chicken and fish separately, and garnished with a little more fresh coriander. Anyone would be super impressed with your cooking skills when they see this meal, and it tastes amazing. Please do like my video and subscribe to my channel for many more recipes to come. See ya!